Let's take one example on source transformation. Find the potential difference between M and N using source transformation for the circuit shown below. This is the given circuit. We have to find the potential difference between point M and N. Here we can observe that 15 volt source is in series with 3 ohm resistor, and here we have 10 volt source in series with 2 ohm. In these two branches there is a current source in series with resistor. If there is a resistor in series with current source, then that resistor can be ignored. So we can ignore this 1 ohm resistor, and here we can ignore this 4 ohm resistor. As the resistor is in series with the voltage source, we can apply source transformation. We can apply source transformation to this branch, and we can convert this into current source. Similarly, by applying source transformation to this branch, we can convert this into current source. Let us draw the circuit. So we know that to convert this into current source, I is equal to V by R, which is nothing but 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5 amp. That is, magnitude of current source is 5 amp. Similarly, for this I is equal to V by R, that is 10 by 2, 5 amp. Now I will draw the equivalent circuit. We have a current source of magnitude 5 amp. Direction is up because this end is positive, this end is negative. This 3 ohm is connected in parallel with 5 amp current source. So here I will ignore 1 ohm resistor, as resistor is connected in series with the current source. I will connect only current source of magnitude 1 amp. Now similarly here I will ignore 4 ohm resistor and I will connect only 2 amp current source, which is downward direction. Similarly, I will convert this into current source. The magnitude of the current source is 5 amp. Direction is down. The resistor associated with voltage source is 2 ohm is connected in parallel with current source, that is 2 ohm, and here we have M end and this is N. Further I will simplify here. Here we can observe that 5 amp source is up direction. Here this 5 amp source is down direction. So these two current sources will get cancelled. Here we have two more current sources. 2 is downward direction, 1 is upward direction. So I can replace these two current source by single current source of magnitude 1 amp, which is downward direction, because 2 minus 1, as both are opposite to each other, we have to take the difference and we have to consider the direction with respect to highest magnitude, that is downward direction. So here 3 ohm resistor and 2 ohm resistor are in parallel. So I can replace these two resistor by single resistor, that is 3 is parallel with 2, that is 3 into 2 divided by 5, that is 6 by 5 is equal to 1.2. Therefore, the value of this resistor is 1.2 ohm. So this end is M, this end is N. So further, now I will convert this current source into voltage source between terminal M and N, that is V equal to IR. I is 1 into R is 1.2. Therefore, the magnitude of voltage source is 1.2 volts. So I will connect a resistor which is 1.2 ohm in series with the voltage source of magnitude 1.2 volts between the terminal M and N. So therefore, the potential difference between M and N is, say, Vmn is equal to, that is minus 1.2. That is, if we consider M to N, the voltage is minus 1 by 2. This is the required solution. Thank you for watching.